Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Lafcu mobile banking app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Lafcu mobile banking is a digital banking app designed for members of Lafcu to manage their accounts quickly and securely from their phones. Available on both iOS and Android, the app lets users check balances, review recent transactions, transfer money, pay bills, deposit checks using mobile deposit, and manage their Lafcu debit and credit cards. It also supports biometric login for added security and convenience, along with customizable account alerts to help users stay on top of their finances. One of the app's most helpful features is its streamlined account management. Everything from viewing statements to paying loans can be handled directly inside the app. It also includes card control tools that allow users to freeze or unfreeze their cards instantly, which is useful in case of loss or suspicious activity. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about real-world performance. Many users appreciate the app's clean interface, reliable mobile check deposit, and quick login process. Its security features, including biometric authentication and account alerts, give users peace of mind when handling sensitive financial information. Members also like the ability to transfer between accounts instantly and pay loans directly through the app. However, there are some drawbacks. While the app performs well for standard banking tasks, it may lack advanced money management features found in larger banking apps, such as detailed spending analytics or investment tools. Some users have also mentioned occasional slow loading times after updates or during peak usage. The app is most effective for basic daily banking but may not satisfy users looking for more advanced financial tools. In summary, the Lafcu mobile banking app may be worth using if you want a secure, simple, and convenient way to manage your Lafcu accounts, make payments, and deposit checks on the go. However, if you need advanced budgeting or financial planning features, you may find the app somewhat limited. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.